Hey everyone, you hear probably Imagine the Andes, a wonderful piece that was made by a wonderful group called Gheist to me and my work. They were looking at big mountains. So let me tell you about one mountain that I crossed and I wrote in my literature. A beautiful young 18-year-old came to me. She just turned 18 then. And her two parents were very open-minded people. They lived in an Indian reservation in Canada, in Alberta, Canada. And what she presented to me is that her right eye was blind, but could see colors. And her left eye had vision, which is 20% of normal vision, 2200. Or they say in the metric system, 660. Well, we sat down, joked, talked, and when I asked her to read the chart, her vision was 40% of normal vision. And the mother says, that's a puzzle to me. We went to all the top ophthalmologists in Canada, and in all of their offices, she saw half of that vision. How did that happen? And I said, well, she was very relaxed with me. And so she saw better. That is such a regular thing. I'll never forget how once my daughter saw an optometrist who was stranger to her because she was used to another one, and her vision immediately got worse until she saw her ophthalmologist in the same hospital visit, and her vision immediately got better. And when I came, it became even better. Well, we do influence our clients' vision. There's no question about that. So, what happened was that we went to a dark room with that wonderful lady from the Indian reservation, and we covered her left seeing eye and had blinking light in the room, and I expected her to see the light, but what I didn't expect is that within a couple of minutes you could see the light bulb itself, and not just the light that is projected. And within 5 minutes you could see my face, which amazed me. So then I got her to the trampoline, I got her the two patches that we put over her left eye, and I got her to bounce on that trampoline and catch and throw balls. We walked several times up and down several blocks. In that time, my office was on Tarville Street. Some of you remember me from there. So it's an uphill, up and downhill, downwards. And she could read large signs, and it was discovered that she actually has 5% vision that she did not know about, her parents did not know about, her doctors did not know about, and she saw the top specialist. What's the difference? I waited longer. I stimulated the eye and waited longer, and we discovered it was not a blind eye, it was a lazy eye. Means the brain did not use it, because she saw so much worse with that eye than the other eye. But by the very fact that she opened up the connection between her brain and that eye, she started to see through it substantially. 5% of normal vision. Then, with the left eye that was legally blind, she ended up seeing 60% of normal vision and was far away from the legal blind category, because balance really helps. Remember, some of the principles are balanced use of the eyes. But we all have to start with relaxation. So when you finish this program, rub your hands, put your hands very gently around your eye orbit, breathe deeply, visualize darkness or blackness, and listen to some nice relaxing music. That palming exercise can help you rest your eye well. So I'm looking forward to see you in my activities. The one that comes in December, the one that comes in January, and the most important one, the one that comes in February. I'm looking forward to see you all. Many blessings, Meir.